yesterday evening we received a specific intelligence input from Jammu and Kashmir Police about the presence of unidentified terrorists in the village Chiva near Tral. 42 Rashtriya Rifles immediately mobilized and moved in a tactical and concealed manner and cordoned off the suspected area. The intelligence for this was built up over a period of time, consequent to repeated inputs of terrorist excesses on the local population, harassment of the innocent civilians, and misguiding the local youth to join the terrorist ranks. As the troops of 42 Rashtriya Rifles, along with Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF, were cordoning off this area, the terrorists fired on our troops and tried to take refuge in one of these houses. Our cordon was immediately resighted to prevent the escape of terrorists. After this, we did make attempts to induce surrender of these terrorists. However, they refused and instead started firing indiscriminately on our troops. We immediately evacuated all the civilians safely from that area and provided them security. During this period, the terrorists made repeated attempts to break the cordon and escape. However, they were thwarted by own troops. We continued to lay cordon on this house where the terrorists were trapped all through this night, and during the night too, the terrorists attempted to make a number of attempts to escape, but the same were thwarted. Today morning, when the terrorists again tried to escape from this house, in the ensuing gunfight, they were neutralized by own troops. 3 bodies of the terrorists, along with warlike stores, were recovered and handed over to the Jammu and Kashmir Police. During this entire operation, no civilian was injured or harmed. The Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF successfully prevented the stone pelters from interfering in the operation. Consequent to the recent success of the security forces against the terrorists, there is a sense of frustration amongst the terrorists, and this is very evident from their repeated attempts to carry out attacks on innocent civilians as well as security forces. Today afternoon, the terrorists carried out a barbaric, cold-blooded murder of a 6-year-old child at Beach Bihara, where they started firing indiscriminately on a CRPF picket from hiding and thereafter fled. In their indiscriminate firing, one poor innocent 6-year-old boy was killed. I condemn such attack and I appeal to the parents to insulate their innocent civilians from these negative influences of these terror tanzeems and prevent them from being misguided and going along the path of taking up arms. Our youth are the future of our country, and wonderful opportunities await them if they shun the path of violence. Jai Hind.
सर, क्या लगता है आपको कि एक तरफ से त्राल में आज मुठभेड़ की, दूसरी तरफ मिलिटेंट ने जो प्रेजेंस दिखाई है बिजबिहाड़ा में, जिसमें एक कमसिन बच्चा जो है वो गोली का निशाना बनता है, तो क्या कहेंगे आप, कहीं ना कहीं पे मिलिटेंट जो है एक बार फिर प्रेजेंस दिखा रहे हैं दक्षिण कश्मीर में?
देखिए, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी बताया, रिसेंट मंथ्स में हमारी बहुत अच्छी सक्सेस हुई है टेरर तंजीम्स के खिलाफ। इसके फलस्वरूप इनके अंदर एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन की भावना है, जिसकी वजह से ये कोशिश करते हैं इनोसेंट सिविलियंस और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस पर अटैक करें। और आज का जो बीच बिहारा में इन्होंने कोशिश की है, इसी का सबूत है इनके अंदर जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन उभर के बाहर आ रही है।
declining portion, or maybe it will be increasing because number of new cases are also.
See, our intent is to target the terrorist leadership so that this nefarious leadership is not able to pollute the innocent mind of our Kashmiri youth. We are continuing with that effort, and it's very evident, as you all have seen in the last few months, we've had immense success in neutralizing these terrorists.
Number of commanders have been killed.
Yes, a number of commanders have been killed in recent months.
Right now, that are guiding to these youngsters being there.
See these misguided youngsters, a couple of them who get recruited, take this wrong path, get neutralized in a couple of days, as also a couple of weeks also. So I don't think with the neutralization of these terrorists, I think we are on a path of peace and prosperity in the valley. Thank you.
How much army is helping the youths to bring them in a particular path if somebody is going
I
outwards?
think we have completed the brief for the operation.